What's good guys, it's me again, back again with another video. As you can tell by the description, you already know what's inside. The packaging, for the amount that I paid for what's inside these bags, the packaging is just, it's just shocking. But let's get into it. We are tripodless, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Let's just get straight into it. Here's the receipt. One second. So here's where it was purchased from, and here's what's inside. So we've got the M+RC Noir. We've got the side bag. And we have, what's it called? Hold on. The Mac messenger bag. And what's this one? A survival black belt bag. The tags seem to be a bit worn. Relatively cheap packaging for what's, I mean, it's about £180 worth. This cost both of the bags. This one was 90, and then this one was 80. And then shipping was like £7, so let's just see what the bags look like. Here we are. So just on first feel, they seem to be decent quality. It's like a sheen. I'm hoping it picks up on camera. It's not nylon. It might be nylon, but it's enforced nylon. It's quite a thick material, and then you've got the chrome. The chrome. I don't know, what would you call this? What's this thing called? It's the clip, the chrome clip for the pocket, and then you can see the key ring here. It says M+RC Noir. Like, I don't know how to. I think it's pronounced M+RC Noir, and then the plus is just for the A. But anyway, don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. Yeah, so it says it on the key ring, and then it also says it in white rubber on the bag, and then on the strap also says, okay, I'll get this in focus. Is that better? M+RC Noir. All around the strap. It's kind of similar to the off-white industrial belt in that sense, where it's just got the same script running throughout. But so yeah, that's the messenger bag. And then here we've got the survival black belt bag. So oh, and also this one comes in camo. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can tell there. Just have to get better lighting. You should be able to tell the camo print there. You can see the rubber tag with M+RC for M+RC Noir. And then this one just wraps around your shoulder like that. Similar to the Supreme ones. Again, M+RC Noir, M+RC Noir revolving around the same industrial belt. And then this clip is the plastic clip. This one's got the plastic clip, M+RC on it. Actually, no, hold on, I think it is metal. Oh no. Yeah, that's metal, that's definitely metal. But I'm not sure if it's black chrome or just... No, it's not chrome, it's just a black metal clip. Camo, I think I'll probably prefer this, the camo on this, to be fair. I think that looks sick, as opposed to just this having a. You see the difference here. That's the sheen. And then this one here. That's the camo. So let me know what you guys think of each bag in the description. What's your favourite? What do you think of the M+RC Noir brand? And what else do you want to see on my channel? What kind of content do you want to see? What kind of brands do you want to see? And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.